and welcome to my channel. If you're really liking my videos, please do subscribe and please give a bell icon. And right now, today's class, it's about this particular question which I'm going to talk about. That question is really added this year, the last couple of months before. So this is a new question, most probably you will not get in any of the guides or something. So you have this in a new PDF file, the question. The question I'll ask you about, you have to explain, briefly to explain about break-even point, shutdown point, and the last one, profit, supernormal profit and normal profit. So let me talk about the first concept, the shutdown point, the topics which I have to cover. So whenever we are going to run any of the business, if you are running any business, your firm, the two situations are quite common you might face. Any one of those you're most probably going to face it. Which are those situations? The first situation, profit. You're going to earn a lot of profit. Otherwise, no profit, no loss. As I said before in my previous video, I've already told you what is no loss, no profit. That means if you are investing, you are spending 10 rupees, you are getting back 10 rupees. You are not earning anything. You are not earning anything extra. At the same time, you are not going to lose anything. So definitely in this situation also, firm can successfully run because surviving will be easy. But yes, so if they want extra profit, that is not possible in this situation. But surviving will be not a big issue in this situation. The next situation is a loss. In the loss situation, where the firm is not going to get that money what they have invested. For example, for my firm, I am investing around 100 rupees. I am not able to get back. My returns are really very less, lower. For example, if my returns are like I am invested 100 rupees, I am getting 80 rupees. So 20 rupees of loss I will be facing. In this kind of situation, so definitely firm is going to face loss. Few of the firms, they can bear it because they have in the long run, they have made good profit. They can hold on the situation. But if the firm is for the short run, so definitely when they are going to face loss, they cannot survive so easily. The three situations, one or the other, they definitely will be facing. One, they most probably getting a good profit. Second, no profit, no loss, but we can survive very nicely. The third situation is loss. The firm is going to face any kind of business, any firm they are going to face loss. So now, if any firm is making profit, so what will be the situation? Technically, if you are going to talk, price should be greater than ABC. In the previous videos, we have already discussed about it. Price should be greater than ABC in the short run. In the long run, price should be greater than AC. If any firm is making profit, for an example, they have invested 10 rupees and they are getting 12 rupees. So, plus 2 rupees what they are getting, this is nothing but profit. So, this is the cost what they have paid, this is the revenue what they are getting. So, cost minus revenue, the left money will be considered as a profit. The 2 rupees what they are left with, that will be called as profit. This kind of a profit, if they want to get, in the short run, price should be greater than ABC. In the long run, price should be greater than AC. So this kind of a profit where the cost is 10 rupees and they are getting 12 rupees, 2 extra rupees they are getting as a profit, this profit will be considered as a supernormal profit in economics. We are not going to call it as only profit, we are going to call that as supernormal profit. Yes, extra more than the cost, whatever returns they are going to get, that will be called as supernormal profit. Is it clear what exactly the supernormal profit? So second situation. The second situation is no loss, no profit situation. So that means the cost is 10 rupees, the revenue is 10 rupees. If you subtract it, so no loss, no situation, that means a zero. The cost is 10 rupees, that means total cost is 10 rupees, total revenue is 10 rupees, the profit is 0. The easiest formula is TR minus TC to find out the profit. So this pi you already aware of, the symbol talks about the profit. TR minus TC, if you're going to do it, so you will get the profit. So TC is 10 rupees, TR is 10 rupees, subtract with each other, you will get the 0. That means no loss, no profit also. This no loss, no profit what we have. So in that situation, price will be equal to ABC. Price will be equal to ABC. Can you see here ABC? The minimum point of ABC in this one? Yes, this minimum point of ABC what you have. So where SMC from the down it is going to cut. This will be, price will be equal to ABC. This situation where price is equal to ABC. This is the price, this is the ABC concept. They both are equal to each other. Price is equal to ABC. So in this situation, firm is going to make no profit, no loss situation. If the price is this, I'll give a name P1. In the P1, ABC is here, price is here. So in this situation, price is greater than ABC. Price is greater than ABC. That means the supernormal profit what we are talking about, that you can earn in point P1. In the point P1, because price should be greater than ABC. So price is here. Okay, ABC is here. So which one is the greater one? ABC. Price is the greater one. So price is greater than ABC. So firm is making supernormal profit in which price? Price when it is P1. The next one, no profit, no loss situation where price is equal to minimum ABC. ABC is minimum point. Thus, where SMC curve from the below it is going to cut the ABC curve. This is the SMC curve. This will be the ABC curve. SMC curve from the below it is going to cut the ABC curve at this point. This point, if it's equal to any price, in any market the price comes which is equal to ABC. So that is nothing but SMC will be equal to ABC in this point. They both are equal. SMC here and ABC is here. They both are intersecting each other. That means SMC from the below it is going to cut the ABC. In this point, SMC is equal to ABC. Where SMC is equal to ABC, that time the firm is not going to make any profit at the same time, any loss. That will be called no profit, no loss situation where price is exactly equal to ABC. This particular price is equal to ABC. So this point, what we are talking about, if you show it in the diagrammatic way, in diagram, the point what I am showing, that point will be called as break-even point. That will be called as break-even point. In simply, you can call it as BEP point. BEP. Break-even point or BEP. So this is a point which will be BEP. Where you are going to get no profit, no loss. In economic terms, what we are going to consider that as? This will be considered as normal profit. You do not have any profit in this, but still the situation will be called as normal profit. So that's the reason why this will be named as supernormal profit. In this situation, why it is called as a normal profit? Because in this situation, firms successfully they can survive. Surviving will be no issue. There won't be a big issue here. Because you're getting 10 rupees and you're spending the same 10 rupees. Yeah, you're spending 10 rupees, you're getting the same 10 rupees. Surviving will be not a big issue here. Any firm can successfully survive in that particular time. So that's why that situation is called normal profit. Firm is making normal profit. What is the meaning of normal profit? No profit, no loss. So don't get confused between normal profit and the supernormal profit because of the terms. So normal profit means usually people comes with the mindset like this is a profit only. No. Normal profit means no loss, no profit situation. And supernormal profit means yes, that whatever cost they are going to spend, whatever the cost will be, more than that they are going to get the returns. And the last situation is a loss situation. The last situation, if you want technically going to talk, where P is lesser than ABC in the short run, P is lesser than AC in the long run. So as of now in the board I have the short run, so P should be lesser than ABC. If P is lesser than ABC, so then the firm is going to make a loss. That means company or firm they are going with a loss if the cost is 10 rupees, that revenue what they are getting, the revenue will be 8 rupees. So you have short of 2 rupees. The short of 2 rupees is nothing but a loss situation. If any firm is making a loss situation, where exactly the loss situation is there? So that point will be called shutdown point, the point where the price will be less. So that will be called as a shutdown point. Where exactly this shutdown point? Below this. The ABC, when SMC from the below cuts the ABC, below this point, in a vertical line, this bold lines, below this any price will be fixed. Firm is going to close their firm, they're going to shut down the company, they're going to shut down the production. So that's why this point is called below ABC, minimum ABC. This all points will be called as shutdown point. So that's why a price is, minimum price is this, below this any price is fixed in the bold line, what you can see in the horizontal or vertical line, this. So company cannot survive because they will be facing loss. So that's why it's called as shutdown point. Below this particular point, any price will be fixed. In this, any price will be fixed. So that all situation will be called as a loss situation, shutdown point. Below this, any time firm comes, minimum ABC what we have, below this, any price will be fixed. Firm is going to shut down their company, so firm, so that's why it's called as a shutdown point. So you are understood 3 situations. Profit, that will be called as a supernormal profit. No profit, no loss, that situation will be called as normal profit. Where you will be having a loss, that time the firm is going to shut down their company, so it will be called as shutdown point. Minimum ABC what we have, where SMC curve is going to cut the ABC curve, below this it will be called as shutdown point. So thank you so much. So I'll be meeting you guys with the next class. Thank you.